guys, we got a king bed. So it's 4.565. So this is Landon's sleeping quarters. Isn't this perfect? Her crib goes here. It's nice and dark hallway. Huge closet, but it doesn't have a pack and play, and I asked for a crib, so I have to call down. This area is just a tad small, not well lit. And then here is the bathroom. H2O products, really nice tiles. Nice and clean. Have to put Stacy on the TV. So you have a desk here. The room part's small, but I'll take it for...
The layout's perfect.
The layout's perfect for a baby. Fridge. There's no
Go back at our jeggings?
no. There's a pair of shorts in her diaper bag, a white pair of shorts. We don't have a dresser. The view. We have a water view room. And then look at this balcony while baby sleeps.
Let me get you buttoned up.
That is amazing. It's so nice. Hopefully no one plays volleyball. And Stormalong Bay is over there. So that means we are really close to Epcot, like walking. I couldn't be happier with our room. I'm so excited. She's probably so excited having wall-to-wall carpeting. Look how cute, baby. It's an actual crib, not like a pack-a-play. Yeah. What? Yeah. Isn't that cute, Phil?
It is cute.
This is a perfect room for you, Landon Laws. And extra sheets, and it's got little Mickey and Minnie and people. She's like, wait, is this my jail? We are so close to just walk out. That's so nice.
That is nice.
Oh, the yacht club, that's where we usually stay. I don't think with this, like, how close we are, I'm gonna miss it. Oh my gosh, we're so close.
Yeah, that's pretty nice.
That's really nice.
Yacht club's not much of a walk, but that little bit of, like, we're at the little bridge right now.
It was the best room for a baby. Look how big the hallway is.
It really was a good room.
After she went to bed, I was able to shower. I was able to stand there and do my makeup during nap times. Mommy's hair.